what's your name and what do you do for a living?
So my name is Karlton Dennis. I run a tax strategy consulting company and a YouTube channel.
Nice. And how much do you make a year doing what you do?
We just crossed a little over 7 million last year.
Nice. And can you break down your business a little bit on like what you really do?
Yeah, absolutely. So you know how there's CPAs that file tax returns?
Uh-huh.
So I meet with entrepreneurs and real estate investors before they go into their CPA's office. So I teach them ways to reduce their overall tax bill, and then they go and file their tax return after.
Interesting. Pretty much help them like lower the amount they pay on taxes, or?
Exactly.
Okay.
Tax strategy.
Okay. And what's the biggest return you got for someone like doing taxes?
Probably about 4.5 million saved.
That's crazy, dang. And any financial advice for people out there?
Try new things, man. Don't be afraid to spend money, especially in today's market. There's a lot of people that are kind of timid right now to really go out and bet on themselves.
Yeah.
I think you have to try new things, and if you're an entrepreneur, then that's already something that you're used to. But if you're not an entrepreneur, then you need to go out there and experience more things, because no one's planning your retirement for you.
And what's the worst financial situation you've ever been in, and how did you overcome it?
Being in credit card debt, I think the way I overcame it was staying focused on what I was meant to become, not letting the credit card debt be the main situation. The situation was, how do I solve problems for other people so I can get myself out of my situation?
And any advice for people out there to fix their credit?
If you're dealing with bad credit, the first thing you have to do is just look it face to face in the eyes and say, you know what, this is something that I'm going to approach head on, and be willing to meet with a credit repair specialist so you can start figuring out what claims and items that you have on your credit report that you can get removed.
Yeah. And then how do you like differ from like, you know, the people who are out there, like, you know, the sketchy people of credit repair, you know, the sketchy, how do you like differ from the real ones?
Having a personal brand is extremely important. Credibility, you want to vet out the business that you're going to work with. Most importantly, at the end of the day, you just want to do your homework, just like anything else. You're not going to spend your money on something if you haven't vetted it before.
Yeah. What's your subscriber count, and then how long did it take for you to like grow?
I think at YouTube we're just over 700,000 subscribers.
Wow.
We've had it for just over 2.5 years.
Wow.
It's all about consistency, just like anything else.
So what if